I'm Steve Maher, I'm the ergonomics guy, and I'm in a law office today, and I saw a court reporter, and I thought of my friend Tiffany, who's a court reporter who complains about her back. And watching this court reporter, I realized some problems that we might be able to address. So if you're a court reporter, this might help. So this is the machine that this woman's using, and when I came in, she was sitting, she has heels, so her hips, her knees are a little bit higher, and then she's typing like this. And mostly she doesn't have to look at the screen, she's just typing away like this. And there's a few things that she can do to make herself much more comfortable. The first is set up the chair, and I realize this is a conference room, it's a law office. You don't have a lot of choice in chairs, but there are a few things you can do. One is make sure you're sitting correctly. So make sure your feet are solidly on the floor. If possible, try not to wear heels, because that's gonna raise your knees up. That's gonna pull on your hamstrings, roll your pelvis back, and get you to slump into the chair a little bit. So if possible, wearing nice looking flats, so your feet are solidly on the floor. Then raise the seat pan up. This chair, I don't think it's even, there it goes. It will come up. So raise the chair up just a little bit so your knees are below your hips, so your hips are higher, and that will tend to roll your pelvis forward. You could think about, they have these pillows called sacral wedges. It looks like a little binder that you could sit on, and what it does is it gives a slope to the seat pan that rolls your pelvis so you sit up straighter. Then if possible, adjust the backrest so that it comes into you. This obviously doesn't do it. But if you can, sit up taller, and that's gonna roll your pelvis and straighten out your lumbar spine, but also expand your thoracic spine so you're sitting up straighter. Then relax your shoulders, bend your elbows to about 90 degrees, and then bring the keypad up to your fingers. If the keypad's lower, you're gonna tend to crumple into it. So if at all possible, bring it up. She has this nice stand where you can loosen this and bring it up. Unfortunately, it's maybe a little bit low, or actually pretty good, but you want your forearms basically parallel to the floor or just a little bit below so that you can float over the keys. I actually have no idea how to use this, but you want to be able to move your hands without elevating your shoulders. She also has a laptop here, which is great, so she can glance at it. What she might want to do is put a ream of paper or a small box under there to bring this up just a little bit higher so that she can look directly at it. Because if she's looking down, her head will follow her eyes and her shoulder will follow her head. The next thing you know, she's going to be like this, which is awful. So if you are a court reporter, you have a tough job, but you can make it a little bit better by adjusting the chair, maybe bring in a pillow or two with you to really support a neutral posture, and then bring the equipment up to you so you're not reaching down and falling into the machines. And that is how you can court report with a little more comfort. Thank you very much.